in first grade. You better wave to me in the hallway, okay? Have a great summer. You were fantastic. I had such a fun year with you. I love you guys. It was a fun year.
Be smart when you're grown up.
Necessary for her learning. If you be my flotsam, I could be half the man I used to. They said you were hot stuff, and that's what babies been reduced to.
Tonight on NBC, don't miss an all-new action-packed Sequest 2032 adventure. Then join Jane Pauley and Stone Phillips for an all-new Dateline NBC, followed by a powerful all-new Law and Order. Tonight.
Rather run when you can't crawl.